Hello friends, this is Umesh Arora from CATIA Solution Merit, and today we are going to create this part in CATIA V5. First, take a look of this drawing, and here we have one top view and one section view, which is BB, and my section BB is from here to this straight and here and up to this point. So this is my section view, which is cutting through this section line, and its second section view is AA, which is starting from here to here, means it is cutting like this, so that we can see this dimension and this portion as well. And this is the section of CC, which is the section of this rib, and detail G, which is from here. So let's start this in CATIA V5, and if you are new to our channel, please do subscribe our channel and please press the bell icon for latest update related to CATIA V5. So I'm selecting this sketch and select this top plane, and I will start to from this circle. So first of all, draw a circle, and dimension of the circle is this 57 and 114 will be the diameter, and draw one more circle and now dimension it, and the dimension of this circle is 17 is the radius, 34 diameter. Connect it, okay, and click and make this line as horizontal, and the distance between these two line is 60, so changes to 60. Okay, and it is still moving here and there, so select this and control hold control and make them tangent. Okay, again select a line which is tangent to this, and here, and from this point to a horizontal line. Now apply a fillet between this, and this radius is 25, and this line is connected with this. Select both and tangent to each other and apply the angle between these two, and the angle is 62. And now choose this quick trim. Okay, now just finish it and extrude this at pad it 8 millimeter. Okay, now again select this face and draw a circle and one more circle and dimension it. Dimension of this circle is 45, and this smaller circle is 20 diameter, and the gap between these two is 25, 50 is the diameter. So select these two and 25. Okay, and use this line and select, zoom it, draw again, click, and here select this line and circle, make them tangent. Okay, and apply this tangency between circle and the line and delete. Double click over this quick trim. Okay, now exit and extrude this, pad it. We are creating from the top of this face, so this is 40 minus 8 is 32, so apply 32, and now circle 127 diameter circle. So click here this hole, and I want to apply a hole here which is 27 diameter, and apply the position is this circle and this point, both will concentric. Apply and cut it. Okay, okay, so here we have some chamfer at this C2 is a chamfer of 2, so chamfer with 2 apply here. Okay, and I need one more circle here, but before this hole, we have to cut this 5 millimeter. So click over this piece, sketch and draw a rectangle, and now dimension it. This and this circle, the distance is between these two is 16, so click 16, and this and this. Okay, and this is in between. Okay, no need to define the dimension because we don't want this, we just want to cut this. Okay, so it is cut here. Now apply a fillet of 2. Now select this hole, and I want to apply a hole here, and my hole is a threaded hole and standard M8 M8, and the thread depth is C 15 and 20. 15 is the thread depth and total depth is 20. Okay, or first position it. I think its position is not properly, it must be concentric with the cylinder. Okay, now for this hole we are going to create a again hole. Click here, and now type is Counterbore, and the dimensions are 8.5, 8.5, and here it is 16 and 1. 16 is the counter there, depth is 1, and now position it, and the position is so for this position it is, so first draw a line. Okay, from this to this, it will not select this point, so we have to create a circle, or click here a circle, and the circle is a reference, for reference only, so I am creating from here. Okay, now dimension this. So this dimension is, oh, a little bit problem is here, so delete it. And this line is, I think, not properly maintained, so draw a line from this to this. Now dimension it, still it is the same problem, so undo. Okay, I'm creating a line from here to this, and the center point will be concentric. Why it is doing like this? The point is not matching with this, so make coincident. Now I am going to apply, delete it. Okay, this point is not moving now. Undo, drag this point. Okay, and now draw a line from this point to the center, and this is 90, so half of 90 is 45. Click, and this point and this concentric, and here one more line. I need one more line, so click this, and here, and this line must be a horizontal line. Now define the angle. So angle is 120. Exit, and the hole is, this hole is okay. This depth is so here. Okay, now we will apply the circular pattern, and my direction is this. Angle is 120 and again 120, so 3. Okay, and because its dimension is not given anywhere, so I am taking as same. And here select and click, and one circle is here, and now dimension 8 from this to this circle is 60. Okay, and from this to this point is 40, and click. This is 24 in dia, finish, and 12, 8 plus 4, and again select this and draw one more circle for this hole, and I'm making them concentric, and dimension 8, 12, exit, and now pocket it. Okay, apply some fillet. Here is a fillet of 2, and okay, so now only this portion is left, so we are clearing from here. Now I am going to create a sketch over this face, so click this rectangle, and no, we must be start with this, so click here, and my sketch is this. Okay, click here and here, and draw a line and a little bit here and match it, and draw a circle and zoom it. Now select this and this line, make them tangency. Okay, sorry, it will not work now because it is matching with this line, so delete this and draw one more line and make it tangent. Okay, it is not, so select both, make tangent, and now dimension it. Dimension of the circle is 10 is the radius, 20 will be the diameter, and this distance is 30. Here it is 30, and the position is 20 from the center point. So from here to this is 20, and this height is 12 plus 2, so 14. 12 is this thickness and 2 extra, so this is 40, and the height is 25 from center. From here to this is 25. Now trim and draw one more circle for this hole and dimension it, and the dimension of this hole is 10, no, 8.5 is the diameter. Now exit and extrude it, and in this direction, see, this is a little bit out, so from center to 50 plus 10, 60, it is total 60, and we have taken as 57, means 3 millimeter out, so 3 is here, and inside it is 7. and OK. Now rest I'm going to create with this and draw a rectangle and point and this, make them constant, again make them constant and click. This gap is 15, 15, exit and extrude this 8 plus 4, 12. Okay, and for this rib we have to create a plane at angle of 45 degree. For this I am creating a line. Okay, so first I'm selecting a point like first point, and again my next point is on circle, and circle is this. Okay, draw a line using this 2 point. Okay, now select a plane over this line and this plane. Okay, and angle is 45, and where it is here, and angle change 135 and preview. Okay, this is now okay, and rest plane I am hiding. Select. Okay, I'm using this project silhouette. Okay, and here it is. Now if you want to hide, just make them construction line and create with this. So off it, I'm starting from here a little bit up and here, and exit. Let's try first the rip command, otherwise we will extrude it. Okay, so exit, and I'm trying this and see preview. Okay, it is not working, so double click over it and using this a little bit inside, and okay, now dimension it. From this line to this point is 14, and here we have this from top, this point is 8.94, and for this dimension select animal, no problem, and for this line and this line make them parallel. Okay, exit and extrude this. Sketch is not a valid sketch. Why it's so? Some open contour is there, so double click over it, and we have one option which is tool, sketch analysis, and one isolated mark. It may be here. Okay, now make it as a construction geometry. Now extrude it and reverse mirror geometry, and the thickness is 6. Here it is 6, so 3. Okay, here it is okay, and a little bit okay, no problem, I will fix it. First use this, and I want to pattern this, and my axis is this inner cylinder, and I want only 2, and the angle is 90, and okay. Okay, and one more we have to create here. Now show all this plane. For this rib I am going to create this, and select this sketch, and this time my working plane is this. Okay, it is coming not properly, so flip this side. Now it is okay, and select this silhouette and click. My line is this, and here we have to select this intersect 3D element, so I want to create intersect with this. Okay, So now we have exactly point. So select this and make it dotted. Okay, and on it a little bit up, again here a little bit inside, click and close. Okay, now dimension it, and this dimension from here to this point is 14. Okay, and from this top to this point is same 8.94, 8.94, which is available here, 8.94. Okay, and here uh, we have to create this again. Okay, so delete this, or now match with it, assign this dimension. Okay, my sketch is now constrained. Exit it, and before that we have some open curves and point. So go to one mark is there, make it construction geometry and extrude this 3 mirror. Okay, now this is okay. For this face is not properly, so we have this replace face. Replacing face, I want to replace from this, and my replacing face is this. And okay, it is not working. Okay, come here, let's see this first. Replace face, replacing face is this, and face to remove. Okay, it is matched, and same I am doing here. Select replacing face and face to remove, and okay, a collision is detecting, it is showing. Select it, replacing face, and this. Okay, no problem. The this replace face is not working here, so I'm showing this first sketch and use this thicken and extrude it. Thickness, add some thickness here, and same thickness I'm adding here. Okay, and now I'm going to apply this cut, and in reverse side and preview, it will cut this rib, but it is cutting this portion as well. Okay, and we have created this part. So click before the rib. So I am selecting this pad 5, drag and drop after this thickness. Okay, and pad 4, drag and drop after this thickness. Then first is this, and second is this, and now I want to work here. So defining work object, now we are here. Select this, cut in this direction, reverse the side, and okay. See, now it is okay. And now right click over it and define a work object. This will come. Now only some fillets are remaining. So first hide all this plane. So here we have hide planes. Now fillet is 2. So click here, and 2 is a fillet, and select the edges, not face. and okay. Again this fillet and over this edge as well, here and okay. Now here this edge, this edge, okay. Again select it, including this, apply, okay, and here, okay, here, including this, apply here and here, okay. This portion, okay, and here also, okay, here, this edge, here and here, okay, and 1 mm here, okay. So this is our model, and we have still something. This chamfer is at this portion, which is 1, okay, and 2, 2, 2, 2. We have already defined chamfer inside and outside. Okay, something we have missed here. Okay, so click here and here. Here we have a circle. Draw a circle, and this circle is 60 diameter. Define it 60 and finish it. Extrude it, and the thickness is 5, and now we have to see where is the hole. So my first hole is, no, this is my first hole, so we have to create this before this. So hole 1, so press and drag before hole 1, hole 2 before hole 2, okay, and see, no, this pocket, no. Mm, where's the pad? This is the pad. Or we can do one thing, drag, it is not coming, okay, so no problem, just right click and delete it. I have this sketch, it is also not dragging, no problem, delete it. And here hole 1, and before this, right click and define work object, and here in between this I'm going to create this, and 60 is the diameter, finish. And this hole, define an object, okay, rest is the same. Come here, define and extrude it 5, chamfer, okay, no problem, chamfer will delete because this chamfer will not found it. Uh, so right click and come here, and we have to define only one thing, which is the chamfer. Okay, so this fillet is still here, and it's like this, okay. and select the chamfer, and this lower chamfer is 2, and here we have chamfer 1. So this is our model. Okay, if you have any query regarding this, you can comment me and hide it. So thank you for watching.